Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Indonesia. Good morning, the world. Good morning, the second day of 2018. Oh, shit. Oh, it's pretty good this morning. Well, I got a little surprise for you. I'm going to show you my big garden. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go. Hello, sir. Don't be scared. I just want to say hello. How many times you saw me? Like 10,000 times. You make me look bad in front of many people. Okay. I give you some rest. I mean, what can I say, right? If it's beautiful, it's beautiful. Mwah! Pretty. So why a garden? Why did I take garden? Why did I do it? Well, it was for experience mostly. A big experiment on myself, on what I want in life, on working with local farmers, what it takes to grow stuff, hard working, understanding the soil, and so on. There's a new cycle of beans coming up soon, another 2 weeks, 3 weeks before they start giving up flowers. So yeah, experience of how can we go from this to this. What can grow well in this garden, what cannot grow. There was a lot of failure, obviously, but you gotta embrace your failures. Embrace failures. That's the only recommendation I have for you for 2018. Any failure is more than welcome. Seriously, you gotta love failure. Failure is gonna make you stronger. Failure is gonna make you doing the right thing in life. Use your instinct. Just do it. Doesn't matter what you got lost, right? I'll show you these little flowers. They're quite interesting. So those flowers are called Pachagalu Merah because they are red. Merah means red in Indonesian. They're coming up to the end cycle. It's been already 4 months and I keep them growing because I want to pick up the seeds. Pretty easy. Crush it and you get a lot of seed in it. What do you do after that? You spread the love. Spread the love. So they're growing all over there on top and also right on top. You can see a little bit. So, why flowers? Well, they're worth money in Bali because people tend to do offering with it. Ceremonies every day actually, go around the house and giving offering. During the big ceremony times, it was a little bit more than normal, usual. So yeah, they don't die for nothing. They are offered to the gods and they are respected. Oh dude, this view is amazing today. And it's pretty hot too. I'm starting to be like shine bright like a diamond. So one geographical reference is that we're standing on one side of the valley and here is the other side of the valley, right on top, and it goes all the way at the back. You can't see it, maybe a little bit at the edge over there, and it's coming back over here. Is that big? Yeah, that's pretty big. There's a bean flower. Where's the little bean coming out? Not yet ready. We'll take around a week and a half up to 2 weeks to get ready. Black hands, always a good sign. One of the recommendations that I have for 2018 for you guys is do not stand under a coconut tree. Absolutely a no-no. Something quite amazing here that I haven't told you is that the coconut growing in this valley are bigger than most of the coconut produced in Indonesia and Bali. They're worth a lot more money. They contain more meat and more coconut water, and they're delicious. Mamma mia! Super relaxing. You can almost do yoga session or meditation here. In 2018, guys, my only recommendation for you would be embrace your failure. This garden gave me a lot of shit, but I embraced it. A lot of failure, like I said before, embrace your failure, love your failure, follow your instinct, do it, do what you fear. Don't listen to people, just fucking do it. Seriously, fucking do it. I hope you enjoyed my little garden. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and if you want, donate $1 towards the $1 million for the big project. 2018, guys, let's make it happen. Seriously, let's make it happen. See you. Beauty!